Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I would like to discuss one of the important questions of designing of operational system and control, that is examine the following types of process decisions: job scope process, object process, project process. This question already comes in June 2019 examinations, carries 6 marks. Okay, so actually in case of process selection, there are 5 types of process decisions. One is job scope process, then batch process, then repetitive, then continuous, then project process. Project process. So five process decisions, but we need to discuss only job scope process and project process. Okay, so uh, as we know that process choice means selecting whether resources are organized around product or process in order to implement the flow strategy. Process choice always depend on the volume and degree of customization to be provided. Process decision is always selecting the most appropriate method of completing a task. Selecting, you can write here, selecting the most appropriate method of completing a task. That is called process decision. Selecting the most appropriate method of completing a task. And process choice means whether resources are organized around products or process in order to implement the flow strategy. It depends on the volumes and degree of customization to be provided. Then now we have to discuss job scope process and project process. So first, job scope process. Job scope process means it is used in the job shops when a low volume of high variety goods are required. जहाँ low volume होता है लेकिन high variety of goods required to produce, in that case job shop process applied. Means volume is equal to low, जहाँ वॉल्यूम लो है लेकिन वेराइटी इक्वल टू हाई वेरिएशन का वेराइटी प्रोडक्ट होता है विथ लो वॉल्यूम ऑफ आउटपुट. इन दैट केस जॉब शॉप प्रोसेस अप्लाइड, राइट. प्रोसेसिंग इज इंटरमिटेंट एंड each job requires somewhat different processing requirement. A job scope is characterized by high customization made to order, high flexibility of equipment, skilled labor and low volume. इसमें क्या होता है, जॉब शॉप में हाई कस्टमाइजेशन होता है, देन हाई फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ इक्विपमेंट होता है एंड स्किल्ड लेबर होते हैं विथ लो वॉल्यूम, राइट. देन फार्म्स हैव जॉब शॉप्स often carry out job works for other firms. A job shop use a flexible flow strategy with resources organized around the process. Then second, project process. Project process means it is characterized by high degree of job customization, the large scope for each project and need for substantial resources to complete the project. एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट आर बिल्डिंग ऑफ शॉपिंग सेंटर बनाना, डैम, ए ब्रिज, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ए फैक्ट्री, हॉस्पिटल, डेवलपिंग ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट, पब्लिशिंग ए न्यू बुक एसेट्रा. दीज आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट प्रोसेस. प्रोजेक्ट प्रोसेस क्या होता है, ये हाई डिग्री ऑफ जॉब कस्टमाइजेशन होता है, द लार्ज स्कोप फॉर ईच प्रोजेक्ट एंड नीड फॉर सब्सटेंशियल रिसोर्सेज टू कंप्लीट द प्रोजेक्ट. Examples of projects are building a shopping center बनाना, डैम बनाना, a bridge, construction of a factory, हॉस्पिटल बनाना, ये सब में प्रोजेक्ट प्रोसेस अप्लाई होता है. प्रोजेक्ट्स आर टेंड टू बी कॉम्प्लेक्स, टेक ए लॉन्ग टाइम एंड कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स एक्टिविटी. प्रोजेक्ट क्या होता है, ये बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्रोसेस होता है बिकॉज it will take a long time and consist of a large number of complex activity. इसलिए प्रोजेक्ट प्रोसेस का एग्जांपल होता है बिल्डिंग ए शॉपिंग सेंटर which is taking long period of time, a dam, a bridge, these are also taking long period of time, construction of factory, hospital, developing a new project, etc., publishing a new book, etc. So equipment flexibility and labor skills can range from low to high depending on the type of project. Okay, so according to question we have discussed jobs of process and project process, but there are also other type of process decisions like batch process. batch process क्या होता है? batch process is used when a moderate volume of goods or services is required. इधर moderate volume of goods and services, right? And also a moderate variety in product or services. A batch process differs from the job process with respect to volume and variety. In batch processing, volumes are higher because same or similar product or services are repeatedly provided. Examples of product produced in batch include pen, ice cream, soft drink, books and magazines. ये डिफरेंट होता है जॉब प्रोसेस में वॉल्यूम लो होता है लेकिन इधर वॉल्यूम हाई, वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू हाई, राइट. दिस इज कॉल्ड बैच प्रोसेस. देन और भी है, दैट इज रिपीटेटिव प्रोसेस. रिपीटेटिव प्रोसेस क्या होता है? रिपीटेटिव प्रोसेस मीन्स this is used when a higher volume of more standardized goods or services are required. Higher volume of standardized product, higher volume होगा, higher volume plus standardized product, जहाँ होगा वहाँ पर रिपीटेटिव प्रोसेस अप्लाई होगा. हायर वॉल्यूम प्लस स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड प्रोडक्ट desired in high volumes. These systems have almost no variety in input and hence there is no need for equipment flexibility. A continuous process is the extreme end of high volume standardized production, right? So this is called repetitive process. Then continuous process. Continuous process क्या होता है? Continuous process means this is used when a very highly standardized product is desired in high volume. Highly standardized product, desired in high volumes, desired in high volumes, right? These systems have almost no variety in output and hence there is no need for equipment flexibility. A continuous process is the extreme end of high volume standardized production with rigid the flows. The process often is capital intensive and operate around the clock to maximize equipment utilization and to avoid expensive shutdowns and shut-offs. Okay, ये कैपिटल इंटेंसिव होता है. कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस इज ए कैपिटल इंटेंसिव. एग्जाम्पल क्या होता है? प्रोडक्ट मेड इन कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस सिस्टम्स इंक्लूड petroleum product, steel. These are called continuous process. Then you can say sugar, flour, then paper. These are the examples. Cement, fertilizers, etc. So these are the called continuous process. So we have discussed job scope process and project process. Also discussed other type of process decisions. You just need to write according to questions. If questions given for job process and project process, then you can write in case of job soap process, it is used in job soaps when a low volume of high variety of goods are required. Processing is intermittent. Each job requires somewhat different processing requirement. A job soap is characterized by high customization, made to order, that is high flexibility of equipment and skill level and low volume. Okay, so and in case of project process, it is characterized by high degree of job customization, the large scope for each project and need for substantial resources to complete the project. Example क्या होगा? Examples of projects are building a shopping center, a dam, a bridge, construction of a factory, hospital, developing a new product, publishing a new book, etc. Projects tend to be complex, take a long time, and consist of a large number of complex activities. Equipment, flexibility, and labor skills can range from low to high depending on the type of project. So this is all about job scope process and project process, but you need to write also the meaning of process choice. Process choice always select whether resources are organized around products or process in order to implement the flow strategy. Process choice always depend on the volumes and degree of customization to be provided. Depend upon the volumes and degree of customization. Volume and customization. Okay, and process decision क्या होता है? Process decision always selecting the most appropriate method of completing a task, whether it will be job scope process, project process, batch, repetitive, continuous, project, etc. So these are the meanings, and you just need to remember all such important points of job scope process and project process and revise as many times as possible. Thank you so much.